one of these counties, be aware of this person right here. He was last seen wearing a red, white, and blue clown mask and a gray clown costume and wielding an axe. Authorities were called to a blue house after the neighbors apparently recorded some screaming on their phone. We will not play that sound. But when authorities arrived at the scene, they found 4 adults and 1 teen all brutally murdered. Next to one of the bodies, there was a message in blood saying, "Everybody has to die sometime." He also left a list of names. The first name after one of the victims, whose name was unidentified, was then identified to be Teresa. In the last couple of months, over 200 people have been killed, specifically at a fast food establishment called Mike's Burgers and Pizza. Once again, if you see this clown, or who we call the Catoosa County Clown, or Mike the Clown, call authorities immediately, because this clown is armed and dangerous. Stay safe, Teresa, because Mike the Clown is coming for you. Just know that. He's coming. What the fuck?